Are you interested in entrepreneurship? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. According to Wikipedia, entrepreneurship is the creation or extraction of economic value. With this definition, entrepreneurship is viewed as change, generally entailing risk beyond what is normally encountered in starting a business, which may include other values than simply economic ones.
This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
In this video, you will learn 8 things you need to succeed in entrepreneurship, so make sure you watch this video through to the end. Number 1. Try to save as much as you can. Statistics shows that most firms do not survive in the market for more than 3 years. The reason is the excessive initial investment and difficulties to return the investment in a period of time. So, start with a modest office or your apartment. Number 2. Choose a visual identity. Before going into the market, choose a visual identity. The name, logo, as well as the specific product by which you will be recognized are important. Number 3. Advertise via the internet. Maximize the internet as a way of advertising. First, it's the cheapest. Secondly, 98% of your target group is there.
Subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
Number 4. Adhere to market trends. You have to occasionally create trends with specific products and services. Number 5. Secure employee loyalty. You can achieve this by providing your employees with humane working conditions and opportunity for progress. Number 6. Communicate with your employees. Talk to your employees about problems, because their trust is important to you. Only then will they understand the difficult decisions you sometimes have to take. Number 7. Work hard. You have to work 24 hours a day. Entrepreneurs are getting it done. Number 8. Keep records. Always keep your business record book up to date. The truth is that, if you want to venture into entrepreneurship, you need to stick to all of the above because it's a necessary part of the recipe for success in entrepreneurship.
If you like this video, subscribe to Video Connect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level and make extra income online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.